Hey guys, Fleet 22 here with another pickup of vehicles that I shouldn't be getting right now, but when opportunity arises, you strike, and that's not, you heard me right, that's not vehicle, that's vehicles plural. So literally just arrived at the location, and let's see what we got here. Making bad decisions. Oh man, look at this thing, dude. Oh my gosh. What is this? Is this a LeBaron? Dude, this is a freaking LeBaron. Oh my gosh, mate. How long has this thing been sitting? Oh man, look at these seats. Dude. Column shift. 3-speed automatic. Might be 3-speed with overdrive. I don't know what transmission they were putting in these old Chryslers. Let's see. Don't see the VIN number. That's just tire information. Here we are. 1977. Dang, dude. Not sure if you guys can do anything bad with the VIN numbers, so let's cover those up. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one I'm excited for. That's pretty cool. It's a big body Chrysler. But let's see here. Let's see what we got over here. Oh man. Oh, this one looks locked. This is a Belvedere 2. When was the last time I've seen one of these things? Something that got a hold of the seats. These seats aren't in nearly as good a condition. This interior is actually worse. I don't know though. I might be a little bit more excited about a Belvedere, man. Dang. This is gonna be crazy. When we say like full-fledged restoration. Oh boy. You don't find them like these anymore. You seriously don't. Like this one being all together. I can't tell you the last time I saw a Belvedere on the road. Back door open. Nah. These Belvederes, I think this is Chrysler B body. Correct me if I'm wrong. But okay, there's the VIN right there. What do you guys say? Chrysler B body, I don't know, maybe a 318? I can't really tell you. I'm not too familiar with these Belvederes. I'm starting to see some rust in the floor pans. Starting to see light, but overall it has floor pans. That means a lot. Rockers rusting a little bit. A lot of this can be ground out and patched. Bell Motors in Mount Olive. Tail light's cracked on that side. Sorry, I'm trying to kind of keep the camera down. There's two people standing over there, and I'm sure you don't want to be recorded. Man, that is crazy, dude. That is crazy. I'm sure you popped the hood on this old thing. Oh, there we go. Oh boy. Okay. Well, we got an engine. Got engines. We even have belts. And to me, that looks like a 318. I forgot how you can tell 318s to 360s, but you can't really say for sure with the untrained eye. I know the Chrysler aficionados will know just from looking at it. Water pump's not seized. We're looking here in the radiator. Dude, it looks like a freaking original copper or a brass core radiator. Yeah, it's a Chrysler radiator. Holy mackerel, man. Brake booster seen better days. Or brake booster. Yeah, not quite. Master cylinder. Then you have vacuum powered brakes for this thing. You are in for a painful surprise. Champion spark plugs. That's good. So we stuck with Chrysler. Yeah, throttle linkage is pretty sticky. That goes down to the transmission. It's like a kickdown cable. Oh, let's take a look at the other one. Yeah.
Get the keys on it. Might get them running.
Yeah.
Once you get them running, hey, just do what you can do with them.
There we go. Yeah, but this crap is gonna have to go.
That's gonna be a problem.
Yeah.
That'll have to get ripped out.
Yeah.
But she would never stay running with that right there.
This one has the hydraulic fan clutch on it. Yeah.
Wow, you don't even see that no more. We the original radiator.
Yep, that one still got the original radiator too. Looks like they just drove it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, this one actually has vacuum brakes.
Lady had it.
Okay.
Yeah, the mama, she the one drove it.
Gotcha. Tube and fin condenser. Oh man, surprised they still got batteries in them.
I know it. Yeah, I think that some of the paperwork I had, they changed that battery, I believe in 97 or 98.
Okay.
Yep. Remember the lights?
Yeah, those old corner lights.
My
Yeah.
Fury 2 had them on.
Oh man.
Daggone Fury 2 had.
That's it. I'm not gonna lie though, these LeBarons, you don't see them anymore. So this thing would actually,
rare, man.
with a set of wheels and tires on it, all cleaned up, this thing would actually look pretty slick.
Yeah, yeah.
Rolling down the highway as a highway cruiser.
Oh yeah, you got something there.
You do. Yeah, I was looking at the interior of this one before you came up.
Yeah.
It looks like they had the window crack, and I think that saved it from a lot of mold getting in here.
It did.
The leather wrap dash still got little mold spots in it, but a lot of it will polish out.
You kind of cleaned up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can clean up a little
But
bit.
the seats, man. Seats are in good condition.
I know
They
it.
are, yeah.
All them dirty years.
I'm telling you. Oh man.
It's a vinyl top.
I think.
Vinyl top.
Is it?
It
Oh
sure
man, it is. I thought it was just mold rolling on it.
That's a
Yeah.
darn vinyl.
Oh
The
yeah.
Barons, that was they all came with vinyl.
Yeah.
It was kind of an option, but that's amazing.
Yeah, this
Hey.
will be a bad
Time for you.
machine when it's
Yeah.
cleaned up. It'll be a bad machine. Oh man. Yeah, you were bad back in the day when you had one of
Oh
these.
man, Tom, you were tough.
Yeah.
Like this now.
Yeah.
So,
Like you said,
you're
the
holding air,
Belvedere, the Fury.
the Fury.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a vinyl top.
That is. That sure is. Oh man.
Can be cleaned up.
Yeah, I think these two cars can be saved.
I think they can too.
I think so. Big old trunk space in
There
them.
you go.
That's
There
it.
you go. I think that's the one right there. Be a money maker.
I think, yeah, but I probably wouldn't sell that one, to be
wouldn't.
honest.
I know it.
Yeah.
It's rare, ain't it?
Old Chryslers, you
Yeah.
already know the price went through the roof on them.
Man.
Bell Motors, Chrysler, and Mount Olive.
Mount Olive, North
Yeah.
Carolina. Good gracious.
Yeah.
They come way out of Mount
So that one was a 71.
Okay.
I didn't
You
get it.
sure?
Yeah, that's what it said on the
This
door.
was 67.
This 67. Oh man, yeah, you definitely want to sell this. 67 to 69.
Exactly.
Oh man, wind down windows.
Yep. Crank windows. Look at that thing for your feet, Tommy.
There you go. Yep.
The lights.
Exactly.
It's crazy.
Oh man.
Oh my God.
You never see these
You
anymore.
don't see that no more,
You
man.
seriously don't.
That is rare. Good gracious.
Yeah, so as far as barn find goes, these hubcaps are worth like $1 million a piece because you never
don't
find them.
You never find them.
You seriously don't.
Wow.
So the fact that somebody didn't get to this car first to go part it out.
Yep.
Yeah.
So they would have parted it right out.
Put it in a junkyard or something.
Yep, chassis look good.
Yeah,
A little surface rust
I
on that.
think this is the Chrysler B body. The
I
Cornet.
believe it was the B body, Tommy.
Yeah,
I was
and-
reading up on. I think it did say B body.
Yeah, I think these guys right here, they were really bad for rusting quarters.
Quarter panels.
And right
around
here,
there.
yeah, this
Yep.
entire area is usually eaten out. So
Usually.
this one's actually doing pretty good.
It sure is, considering.
All things
I think
considered.
that tree heard it and saved it
At the same time, it did,
It
yeah.
put a coating on it, but it still got it.
But the roof, I'm not seeing any rust on the
No,
top
man,
10.
The whole roof is good.
Glass isn't,
Curvature.
yeah, the glass isn't busted out.
No glass broken. broken.
And it rusted,
Still there.
rusted a little bit worse on this side.
Okay. I never see that side over there.
Yeah, you can see right.
Oh yeah. Okay, it did eat that up a little bit.
Yeah, and it got a little bit better right
around
here.
there. Yep.
But
Look at the
overall,
windows.
yeah,
The windows still intact.
the old quarter windows, vent windows still intact.
Still intact.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
this body. It's not bad. It's
It
worth
ain't bad
saving.
either. It's salvageable.
Yeah, this poor girl's worth saving.
Yes, sir. Good, great 67, Tommy. That's amazing.
That is.
That is amazing.
That
Good,
is.
great.
Oh man, yeah. Can't wait to get started on this one.
Oh yeah. They can't wait, Tommy.
Yeah, I can't wait to get started on this one.
Wow. That's the gas tank.
Yeah.
The old leaf spring. Look at
There
it.
you go.
Oh my God.
Oh,
when have you seen them?
Narrow little tires.
Yes, sir. They tired.
I'm telling you, they are just
tired.
as skinny as they can
Oh,
be.
them old tires. I believe them the original tires on that thing.
It wouldn't surprise
White
me.
walls. Daggone.
Thunder Way, yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
Wow.
Can't see what size
Can't
they
see
are, but
what
they're
size they are. And that
absolutely-
one there, I looked at it, it's busted.
Oh, it's 205.
That one is a 205.
Well,
okay.
14-inch rims.
Good God,
Same-
when have you seen that?
Same rims on my XR4.
I know it.
Narrow wheels.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm glad to see this thing still in.
I am too.
Still
man.
together.
It's still together, Tommy.
Yeah.
Still together. That was the antenna. I
Yep.
believe.
Yep. That was the antenna.
Sure
Yeah,
was.
it looks like probably fell off.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, tree hasn't smushed it yet, so I
Ain't
think
get it.
I think this
Got
body
it
will
yet.
come back together.
Yeah, I think it'll come back. Yeah, they will clean right up.
I think so.
Wow. That's amazing.
It is.
That is amazing.
It is. Yeah, we'll get all that stuff off of her.
Look at that emblem.
Oh yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, that old school
Good
Chrysler.
God.
Oh man.
Boy. Chrome still good.
There you go. Still got your trim.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this. She needs some love, but on here, just literally talking with my dad, checking the vehicle out. Haven't really introduced him on the channel yet, but me and my pops, we're pretty close. If you couldn't tell, we're really enthusiastic about old cars, all cars honestly, but these just really piqued our interest. Yeah, 67 Belvedere and 77 LeBaron, I want to say. Super excited, man, especially for a Belvedere 2. Get that right. You know, after back in the day, seeing the old videos of Richard Petty racing these things around, man. The Cornet, you know, always had a crush on the Chrysler B bodies, just never could afford one. I always wanted a Satellite or a Duster or some type of big body Chrysler. And this one seems to be it. I don't know if this is the 318. You correct me on that. 2-barrel carburetor, so I forgot what the other engine option. They had like a million engine options for this thing. So for Belvedere 2, you guys, you know, see if you can figure that out before I figure it out. Shoot it down in comments below. But can't wait to get these cars on the channel. I'll try to get the other cars. A lot of vehicles have sold since I started the channel that I didn't really get any footage on. So I'm going to make sure to get footage on these cars in this condition as we progress through the months. Don't forget to like and subscribe, blah, blah, blah. If you like the video, share it with your friends, whatever. Give me some feedback on these cars. You know, parts are getting scarce. See where I can freaking find some parts for these things. We can go from there. This has been the Fleet 22. Appreciate you for staying this long, and we'll get something to figure out with these cars. All right, guys. Peace.